Good morning, children. God bless you all. Children, yesterday I explained you lesson 8, Clever Hassan, from your English text reader book. Okay, now today we will do the back exercise of this chapter, which is given on page number 63. Okay, we will be doing exercise given on page 63. Exercise A, tick the correct words to complete these sentences. Okay, what you have to do, tick the correct words to complete these sentences. In each sentence, children, there are three options given. You have to choose the correct option and complete the sentence. Sentence number 1, the barber was dash, foolish, cunning, or poor. The answer is cunning. So please write cunning here and put a tick mark here. The barber was cunning. Cunning, cunning. Okay. Number 2, Hassan sold the pots and pans for dash. 50 dinars, 5 dinars, a haircut. Okay, Hassan sold the pots and pans for 50 dinars. So put a tick mark on A and write 50 dinars here. FIFTY 50 DINARS dinars. Okay, this is the official currency of Iraq. Number 3, Hassan was sad because he lost dash. His donkey, the bat, his pots and pans. Now you all know the answer. Hassan was sad because he lost his donkey. So on the A1, put a tick mark and write here his donkey. Number 4, Hassan wanted to teach the dash a lesson. Now whom did Hassan wanted to teach the lesson? People, barber, or Qazi? Yes, Hassan wanted to teach the barber a lesson. So put a tick mark on B and write barber here. BARBER, barber. Number 5, he dressed up like a rich dash. Now, he means Hassan. He dressed up like a rich dash. Qazi, barber, or merchant? The answer is merchant. So put a tick on merchant and write MERCHANT, merchant. Okay. So this was exercise A. The answers to this are cunning, 50 dinars, his donkey, barber, and merchant. Now moving on to exercise B. Who said these words? Write the names on the blanks. Children, here are the blanks given and you have to write the names of the persons who said these words. What is the price of your goods? Now in the chapter, who said these words? Children, if you listened the chapter when I was explaining it, if you have listened to it carefully, you know the answer. The answer to this is barber. BARBER. Okay. Number 2, give me 50 dinars and all is yours. Now who said these words? You know the answer is Hassan. HASAN, Hassan. Okay, Hassan said, give me 50 dinars and all is yours. Number 3, you did not make a clear deal. Now you know who said these words? Qazi. QAZI, Qazi. Qazi said, you did not make a clear deal. So here write please barber, Hassan and Qazi. Exercise A and exercise B is done. Exercise C is answer these questions. Children, this assignment is already sent to you on 18th of May. So kindly write down this very neatly in your ETCW notebook. Moving on to next, D exercise. In each set of words, there is one word that does not belong to the group. Circle it. Discuss in class what is common in each group. Children, out of these 4 options, you have to circle which does not belong to this group. Like the first one is barber, postman, doctor, and tree. Children, these are the people who serve the society. But tree, so you have to circle the tree. Okay, tree is the one who does not belong to this group. Number 2, sparrow, swan, table, and eagle. These three are birds, and table is a non-living thing, so put a circle on table. Number 3, mango, apple, rose, and banana. Children, you know these three are the fruits, and rose is a flower, so put a circle on rose. Now move on to page 64. Scissors, bird, hammer, and nail cutter. Children, these three are the fine tools, and bird, you know, is a bird which can fly, so put a circle. Number 5 is onion, chair, potato, and garlic. These three are the vegetables, and chair is again a non-living thing which does not belong to this group, so put a circle on chair. Okay. Now moving on to exercise E. Read the meanings. Color the correct box. Children, you have to find out the meaning of this word out of these two options. Two options are given, and you have to tick mark the correct option, which is the meaning of this word. Judge means Qazi. Okay, not a tailor. Okay, children. Qazi is a Muslim judge, but tailor is a person who stitches our clothes. So these two goes together. Number 2, someone who buys and sells thing. A teacher does not buy and sell things, children. Teacher teaches you. Okay, so merchant is a person who buys and sells things. So answer to this is merchant, so put a tick mark on merchant. Number 3, the Iraq of currency. Rupee and dinar. Children, rupee is the official currency of India. So in this, dinar is the correct answer to this. So put a tick mark on dinar. Number 4, happy. Happy means sorry or pleased. Pleased. Put a tick mark on pleased. Happy means pleased. Number 5, take off a load. Take off means to shed a load. Shed means to unload. Okay. And keep. So unload and take off a load are the same things. So put a tick mark on unload. Now moving on to exercise F. Now what you have to do in this is, children, you have to add ER or OR to spell these words. The first one is BARB. What you have to choose, ER or OR? ER. So it becomes BARBER, barber. Okay. Number 2 is TAIL. Choose one, OR. So it becomes TAILOR, tailor. CARPENTER, carpenter. You have to choose ER. Okay. DOCTOR, doctor. Okay, you have to choose OR here. Number 5, BANKER, banker. Choose ER and write here ER. WRITOR, writer. Okay, children, so this is barber, tailor, carpenter, doctor, banker, and writer. So children, this was the back exercise which was given on page 63 and 64 of your reader book. Now, this was the assignment which is already sent to you. This was, you have to write it down like this very neatly in your 4-line English CW notebook. I have written it this way so that you know how you have to write it down. Write the name of the lesson, lesson 8, Clever Hassan. Put the date, question 1, dictation words. Children, you have to put the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and you have to write the dictation words like this. Barber, haircut, dinar, price, deal, merchant, poor. Business, simple, partner, donkey, money, fool, and happy. Okay, write down very neatly all the 14 words in one single page. Now, moving on to the next page, question 2 is give the meanings of. The first word is clever. Clever means intelligent. And number 2 is happy, which means pleased. So, write down very neatly. Question 3 is make sentences. You have to make the first sentence with the word poor. Hassan was very poor. Okay, underline poor. Number 2 is cunning. The barber was very cunning. So put the underline cunning. Okay. Number 3 is market. Raju went to the market to buy fruits. So underline market. Okay. Now moving on to next question. Answer the following. Where was the barber's shop? Children, write down the answer very neatly. The barber's shop was in the main market. Question number 2. Who came to the market one day? Hassan came to the market one day. Okay, who came to the market one day? Hassan came to the market one day. Children, if you want to leave a line after each answer, you can leave, and if you don't want to leave, it's okay. Okay, so don't worry. Question number 3 is, how did Hassan look? Answer to this question is, Hassan looked simple and poor. Question 4. Who was called to decide the matter? Answer to this is, the Qazi was called to decide the matter. So children, these were the 4 questions and answers which you have to write down very neatly in your 4-line ETCW notebook. And the note given in the last is, learn page 63 and 64 of your English text reader book, the exercise which we did just now. Okay children, so this was your work and this was your chapter Clever Hassan, which is now complete. Okay, learn the assignment. Okay, until then, stay safe, stay at home, listen to your parents, keep watching the videos sent by the school every day. Children, please do not miss out any videos. You can see the videos in the gallery of your eCare Pro app, and tell all other children also to watch the videos. Take care children. Thank you.